What's up guys, Harsh here, back in the audio, and in this video I'm unboxing the Bburago 1:43 scale Lamborghini Murcielago GT. And the main reason I bought this is because of the race livery that it has, and I am a huge fan of race liveries, so whenever I see a car with a race livery I try to buy it as soon as possible. And not going to go in deep with the car history itself because it is already on the internet, but the thing that is not on the internet is the quality of this particular model. So let's unbox it and see what we have. Now I still don't know how to unbox this properly, but I'm assuming that you take this cardboard out from this side and then go to the other side as well. Try to do the same thing on this side. You can see that these two tabs hold this cardboard piece in place, so just try to take it out gently, and as you can see I tear it off, so that's pretty bad. And then you can just slide the model out, and when I bought it I didn't thought it would come with a base, so this is pretty nice as you can see. So let's keep this box aside. And oh, it's also have the official Lamborghini logo as you can see, so that means it is the official Lamborghini product, so that's pretty nice. So here's the model itself, and let's take a closer look at it. So it comes with this nice plastic base with the model name and its scale written over here with the company logo as well. And it is detachable. It is held by only 2 screws at the bottom. You can just take your screwdriver and remove it. Let me just do that first. So now that we have the base out of the way, we can take a closer look at the model itself. So as I have already told, this is a race livery, so it is littered with logos and sponsors on every side of the car, so that's pretty nice. And mainly I'm going to talk about the quality over here. So let's take a look at the front. We have the front radiator vents, and they're nice detailed, and the paint job is almost spot on. There is a little bit of bleeding on the intakes as you can see, but that it's pretty minor. From far away you won't be able to notice the difference. Then we have the flags and the lights, and at the top we have the Lamborghini logo with some nice details of the logos on both the ends. And the whole car is in a nice metallic black finish, which is absolutely beautiful. Then onto the sides we have more logos and the side profile of the car you can see, and the wheels are pretty loose in this case. They do make a lot of noise, but they are rubber coated with plastic rims, so this is pretty neat. And this is a non-pushback car, so unlike other Bburago models, this is not a pushback. So in them you will be able to push the car back and then the car will move forward just like a normal toy, but for this particular model it is not available there. And at the bottom you have some diffusers which are humongous in size, and some more information, or the same information I should say. So company name Bburago Lamborghini Murcielago GT 143 scale, made in China, it's obvious. And I think this is the particular model number that I have over here, which is, I don't know, 11823, something like that. The mirrors are made out of rubber, so as you can see they wiggle a lot, but they don't have any reflective sort of thing inside them, although there is a insert for them as you can see, increased height border, but I don't think they added the reflective panels onto them. Now moving on to the back, we have the brake lights, the huge spoiler that it has, and the exhaust pipes and the diffusers that I already talked about. And they're pretty nicely detailed with the molding I should say, not the coloring, because these lights I think they have the red in actual color, but whatever. And the pipes, the exhaust pipe should be I think steel, but I don't think they have enough budget to paint them, because this is a pretty cheap model and this is not like top of the line thing that you can get, but there are some other options available if you want these details to be exactly on point. And the inside of the car, let me just try to see if I can get it. The steering wheel and the driver's seat are all pretty detailed for its size. It also has a roll cage, but I don't think it is placed properly. As you can see, it is a bit downward. It should be up like that, so the bar over here should be on top, but I think it is not where it should be. And it will also be good as a collector piece. So as you can see, if I place it just like so, it looks pretty nice. I mean, almost looks like a photo. So there it is guys, the 143 scale Lamborghini Murcielago GT, and hopefully I will be making more of these videos on this channel. So other 143 scales, if you are interested, you can check my channel, and until then I will see you all later.